What is a stock? A stock is a small piece of a company that you can own. When you buy a stock, you're buying a share, which means you own a share of that company. The more shares you buy, the bigger your slice of ownership. It's like being one of many co-owners of a business, even if you've never met the others. As a shareholder, you may even get to vote on important company decisions, sometimes even if you only own one share. Shareholders often receive regular updates and may be invited to attend annual meetings where they can vote on leadership, company strategy, or mergers. Stocks are bought and sold on something called a stock market, a bit like an online marketplace where investors trade with each other. Some well-known stock markets include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the London Stock Exchange, LSE. Each stock is identified by a ticker symbol, a short code used to identify the company on the stock market. For example, Apple's ticker symbol is AAPL, and Tesco's is TSCO. These symbols make it easy to look up stock prices and news about specific companies. Why does it matter? Stocks are one of the main ways people invest money to grow their wealth. If the company you own a share in does well, maybe it makes more profit or becomes more popular, then your stock can become more valuable. You could sell it for more than you paid and make money. Some companies also pay you a small part of their profit every few months. That's called a dividend, and it's a way of sharing the profits amongst the owners of the company. You can own shares in companies you know and see each day, like tech firms you use online, shops where you buy groceries, or energy companies that keep your lights on. That makes investing feel more real and easier to understand. Here's a simple example. Let's say there's a company called X-Arm plc. It's worth £1,000 and is split into 100 shares. Each share costs £10. If you buy one, because there are only 100 shares, you now own 1% of the company. If the company grows and its total value rises to £2,000, then each share might now be worth £20. That means your £10 investment has doubled. And if the company decides to share some of its profits with shareholders, you might also get a small payment, a dividend, just for being part of it. You'd look up XARM on the stock market using its ticker symbol, which might be something like XARM. What else should you know? Stock prices can go up and down. Just because a company is doing well today doesn't mean it always will. It's normal to feel unsure at first. Prices move every day, and that can be emotional. But over time, staying calm usually works better than reacting quickly. It's important not to put all your money into one stock. That's why many people spread their money across different companies, a strategy called diversifying. Stocks are best for long-term investing. Trying to make money quickly by buying and selling all the time can be very risky. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Many investing platforms let you buy part of a share, called a fractional share. For example, if a full Amazon share costs £100, you could invest just £10 and own 1/10 of a share. That means you can start investing even with small amounts of money. To sum it all up, a stock is a way to own a small part of a company. It can help your money grow over time, but it's not without risk. With a bit of knowledge, patience, and a long-term mindset, stocks can be a powerful tool in your financial journey. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.